What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Rabbi Jones. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I promised you guys a master class, and yes, I delivered. The master class is happening from the 1st of November to the 5th of November, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. each. That is 6 hours. And I've already done everything. The topics are in place, tutors are in place, everything is set. And we're doing the master class on Google Meet. Initially, I wanted to do this as a one-on-one class, but then I was like, no, how can others benefit from this class? Because if you are supposed to do this at KNUST or University of Ghana, Legon, how are other people from Nigeria, Uganda, Togo, all those people, how are they going to benefit? So yeah, we're doing this on Google Meet, and the registration is very low, very low. I just really want you guys to learn something, like know something. That is why I am charging y'all $19, very low. And I'm pretty sure you guys are going to come through, learn something. And first off, we have 3 tutors. First tutor is J.K. Homezi. He's a creative designer. He's into brand identities, logos, all those type of things. So yeah, this is his Instagram page. He's on Behance at JK Homezi. You guys can check him out. And this is just few of the works here on his Instagram. You guys can check him out. He's very good, and he's going to share a lot of things for us on the day. He's going to be featured on day 5. And that's the 5th day, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to learn a lot. So yeah, JK Homezi for you guys. I hope I'm not butchering your name, Charlie. So yeah, we have the next person, and it's Okat Media. Okat Media is very good. Yeah, he's my own brother, and we've been through this a while now. Yeah. So this is his page. This is Okat's Media's page. You guys can check him out. Actually, they are twins. Should I say he's a twin, or I don't know? They are two, so you wouldn't know which one is the senior, which one is the junior. What they say, Okat is repping day 2. He's going to give us tips, insights. A whole lot of things that we need for our our daily graphic design needs. Yes, and the third person is Giligabi. Giligabi is based in Accra, just like JK Homezi. Okat is here with me in Kumasi. So Giligabi is also a creative designer, and he's mostly the type that gives you like a top-notch, cutting-edge design that's just going to bust your mind. Look at these works. Yes, very dope. So yeah, guys, we have top creatives gracing our master class on the 1st to 5th. So yeah, if you want to register, click on the link in my bio. It's going to take you to my main stack. This is my main stack, and we have a reserve a seat here. If you click on the reserve a seat, it's going to you're going to put in your name, your email, and all those things. Then you have to send in payment via PayPal, but I don't want that. I want you guys to take a different means to make the payment. So we have to register for the masterclass, and I have my WhatsApp contact in here. Just click it. It's going to take you straight into my DM, and in my WhatsApp DM, and I'm just going to send you the link for you to make payment, the official link for you to make payment. So yeah, so that you guys can get registered. Yes. So overall, we have 50 seats. You guys, I'm expecting 50 of you guys. So yeah, I'm just doing it. I'm doing this for you, and I really want to see a whole lot of you win. I want to see a whole lot of you doing well. That is why I've been hosting the graphic design contest. That's why I've been doing all the tutorials and everything. But then I'm bringing you this so that it can really benefit your daily graphic design needs. Okay, so guys, my name is Rabbi Jones, and kindly make sure to subscribe to the channel and register for the graphic design masterclass that is happening on the 1st to 5th November, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. each day. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.